Hi friends, Tiana Smith here with TianaSmithCoaching.com, and I wanted to come to you live today because something really amazing happened this morning. So I was going out to my garage to get an old years ago, and because I wanted to take the things off of it. I'll show it to you right here. It was this piece, and I had this filled with other things though. This is cleared off. Okay, so I went to get this frame out of my garage. It was in my old house. I hadn't got it out of there in 3 years. And so I went out to my garage to get that. And because I've had my new vision boards printed, I'm doing a month challenge with some close friends. And we're doing a manifesting and a visualization, like speed kind of thing together, just privately. So I went to get everything ready. You can see it here. I'm going to show this to you guys because I'm going to give you actual tools, okay? So I was taking the pieces of paper off, and what I found was this. A lot of the goals and dreams I'm still working on, but a lot of them I had already manifested, including 2 that had been years of goals that felt really impossible to me. And if you had told me originally when I first put those down, these boards were probably 5 years old, and I hadn't grabbed it down in 3 years. So let me share them with you so you can see them. So these are some of the ones that were on my board. This is a new one that I did. But these ones were there. There were some other ones as well. But I wanted to draw your attention to these 3 because these 3 accomplished. So I have an extra $30,000 coming to my bank account this month. That was like a monthly goal for 5 years. And I just hit it this last fall. And I've actually hit 50K now a month. And then this is the same thing. And this was buried underneath another one, right? It was really interesting. And then this one was, I'm a fit size 4 athlete. That was my goal. And I actually got down to a size 2-4. Currently I'm a size 4 again. I'm working on leaning out. But when I first started this journey, and then I kept some of these other ones that I still have yet to accomplish. And the reason that I'm putting them side by side is, if this is possible, that's already accomplished, and maybe it took longer than I thought, why isn't this, right? These bigger goals, right? Monthly sales, where I want my music to be, excuse me, a dream home on an ocean or on a lake. And so why I'm sharing it is it's really important, I think, to track these goals so that you can have a visual representation of what you're aiming for and help fill in the gap of the faith. And then secondly, as I was taking it off, I've never really done this. I usually just move forward, but I've learned to thank God and to be in more gratitude for where I've already come from. So grabbing those images down and being like, wow, like things that truly felt impossible. And what I always put, there's 2 verses I usually put on every vision board, and one is, with God all things are possible, or I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And I'll share with you, this one I wrote in, this one, it's a new one I made. I did it with more affirmations. This is going to go in the bathroom. So it's for me and the kids. I've got a specific vision board over there. I need to scoop my thing in. That's personal for me. But these, I want my kids to have this as well. So with God, all things are possible. I put it on everything. You'll see it. This is a monthly goal as well. This is like tracking the money, tracking clients. And then again, with God, all things are possible. You're going to see it on here because the truth is, a lot of times I struggle with the, like, how is this possible for me, right? And it's gotten better because I've seen these things come to pass. But I really want to encourage you to get your vision board up. There's an awesome audiobook. It's free. It's called You Were Born Rich by Bob Proctor. And that's actually, I was listening to that while cutting out these images. And when I listened to that book the first time, I'd not even made $5,000 a month in my business. So looking back now, let's say 5-6 years ago when this all began, and realizing like I've 10x'd my income, and I think I can do it even faster now. I was dealing with a lot of disbelief. I'd never even heard of a woman that I personally knew making $2,000 a month, let alone 5,000, let alone 10, let alone 50, 100. What I now know people in my circles and who do that. So the reason I'm sharing that with you is get the vision before you, right? Make it plain, make it clear. I actually have a vision journal too, so I'll open this up for you. So I was going to put these in there. And so on top of these being here is a vision journal. Let me put this here. So that's where you can actually flip the pages and you can go through the visions that you see for yourself, affirmations, and you can add to it. So I grabbed some extra, I need to go get some more page protectors to put these in. So again, this is one of my very, very best business life tips to attracting and being who you already are. And so part of this with the affirmations is being like, I am, so you're not saying I will be, you're saying I am this thing. And you start to walk in that, you start to create habits around that, there's no lack. So again, vision boards plus this amazing book, and it's free on YouTube. You can I can even put the YouTube playlist in the comments. You can listen to a chapter a day, just every day, just listen to a chapter a day. Change your life forever, change your belief, and everything can change for you. If you have any questions about funnels, about business, I actually have vision board templates. I have a whole mindset training on this. I would be happy to give it at a really low price. I really think everybody needs these tools if you're growth oriented. So just believe, even if you don't believe in yourself, just practice the belief every day. Get the vision boards up. So I'm Tiana with TianaSmithCoaching.com. Good to see you, and I will see you guys on the next video.